Good day. This is Mike Clark. I'm going to give you a demonstration of how to do a particular task using the tools that I use to do some of the routine tasks that I have to do from time to time. Here in this video I will show how I handle a request to modify the contact information for an agency in the TEMS application. In this case, Kathy Service of the Washington State Patrol has requested that the user Angie Gill be removed from both agency news and the list of contacts on the TEMS Help page. Okay. What I will do to fulfill this request is to add a new agency message table entry that doesn't include Ms. Gill, and then edit the default.htm file for TEMS Help on the content server. The two tools I will use for this are, one, the Accounting Applications Utility tool, and Ultra Edit. Do not want to upgrade that. Any text editor may be used in place of Ultra Edit, either notepad.com or notepad.exe, or for that matter Notepad++. Okay, let me get started with the Accounting Applications Utility tool. In order to edit the TEMS agency message, I click on the tab appropriate to it right here, and now I'm going to select the TEMS agency that I'm working with, which in this case is Washington State Patrol, right there, and there we have it. Now in this box we have the list, we have all the previous agency messages have appeared. The latest one had the effective date of 11/7/2014. What I'm going to do is use this as a template to create the new one. So I highlight it. This shows you what it looks like. And I'm going to be removing Angie Gill from it right there. To do this, I click on Use Selected Message as Template, and then Add New Message, and I come up with this screen here. Now, all I have to do in this particular case is highlight that and just delete it. And since Kathy Service was the one who requested it, I simply write her name in there and click Save. I would note that if I were doing other work, I might use these particular buttons in order to help edit. Also note that I might have to edit it if somebody's asking for something to be added and the total message length goes to over 1,000, because 1,000 is the largest message length that you can put into the table. So I would have to cut out white space and whatever else, or otherwise make it smaller. But I don't have to in this case, so I just go ahead and save it, and it's already effective as of right this second. So if you go to check on State Patrol in TEMS, you will find that it has already taken effect. Okay, now that is how you do this. Next we'll do the Ultra Edit part. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and go out to the content server and edit the TEMS Help file default.htm. And I've got Ultra Edit open here at this point, so I go hunt it down. It is located on ENA AppOnly 3172 under iNet Pub, then SWFS, and we'll slide down there to TEMS Help, and it will be in the file is in fact default.htm. So we'll go ahead and open that. Now, it is located scrolled down there somewhere, but I'm going to do a find on Gill. Click Next, and there we are. Now all I have to do in this case is highlight that row and delete, and it's done. If I were adding somebody, I'd have to copy a new row into there and put the information in there as I might be requested to do. But since this is just a simple delete, this is all that's required. Just got to make sure that when you do this, you get all the tags matched together and delete the whole thing rather than missing with a end tag that's floating out there. Not that would hurt too much, I don't think, but you never know what's going to happen when you screw up the HTML. Now, at this point, it should be correct, and so we'll go ahead and just plain save it. As soon as I find the save button, there it is, save file, and it's done. So that was not very hard, and that is how it's done.